father, I forgot one thing, yung escort. Yung sa father, dunggol-dunggol lang sa pepe, gano'n. Kasi nga, hindi din. So, yung boyfriend mo, wait na, nakakasama mo pa ba? Kung hindi wala yan, Ken. Kung kami ng pepe ka ba? Kayo pa rin. Hindi na sila. So, magkakasama pa? Bakit na sila iniiwan? Kasi never ako iniiwan. Ako nangiiwan kasi. Ako never gusto ko na ako nangiiwan kasi ayoko ma-hurt. Totoo, mapapalik ka dito David's life. We're back here, Tony! Pony! Pony ng Pony! And of course, Lucy! Yes! So what? Bakit kayo nyo na yan? Ikaw ang siya nag-iwan ako. Ang ganda mo naman ka. Hindi, baka hindi tugma ang kanilang action eh. Baka yung pen niya 110, hindi 220. Tumabo kailangan transformer. Transformer bakla. Uy, tao doon. Tapos kailan na mag-graduate? Nag-review ka na ba?
Next year po kayo.
Wow. Bakit graduation ka this year? Ang related mo kailan? So, working na sa akin ito. Kung tanong ka ba mga tayo sa team word ng girl? What is the heart ko sa alam mo? Kasi ako, I'm a jack of all trades. I'm a master of none. May alam ako sa kahit ano po. Tapos, yes, like what is the heart ko sa alam mo? What is that responsible for? What is mitochondria? Yes. What is gastrocnemius? Can you demonstrate or show us your labia minora? So, open up your pores. And point your pituitary gland. Can you bring out your clitoris? Can you vomit? And then one night, that is responsible for our... For our... Oh my God, hindi ko... I don't know, it's not going to happen. Body temperature or not dead, tama. Anong discard mo po dahil mo? Kamay sa ilalim ng dede. Sabi niya maligas. So, kanya sa Will Oo, si Isay Alvarez. Isay Alvarez. Mahirap pa maging isang nursing student. Lalo na pag-architecture ka dati. Ang masarap na yung palagi ng pinakapiter ng nurse. Oo, sarap. Pero wait ka! Bago ikaw, huwag na natin yung mga malimamaya. Wala ka masyadong distansya ka ulit. Go there first. Huwag ikaw yung softness yan. Cookie siya. Yung mga ingin siya. I know that you're a balibayan. You deny it, but I swear you're a balibayan. You know why? Why? But boy. Kaya ka na nga ako. Parang wala na ka na bigay dito sa ano, you're beautiful, you're effortlessly elegant. In short, sapatos. What is your name, girl? Let's ask your name. Let's be nice to her because she's balibayan. Let's be nice. Rubizan. And what country did you landslide from? Canada. We're in Canada because I'm visiting places to Canada, like Toronto and Quebec. And then on the Quebec. I went there to see my dad, and my dad hates days, so I acted like a real guy over there. So working my part, and when I came back, where I am. Quebec, class. We're on Quebec, class, Quebec. That's no word. Toronto. Where you can find the longest road or highway. The longest street. Yes, Toronto Street, actually. I really wonder why you pronounce the T as an R. Toronto. Dapat yung Toronto. Toronto, may galing Toronto yan. Pero pag doon ka na galing, Toronto. Parang Tarantaro. Moto na galing. Parang yung moto na galing. Gloriera. Let's go to Gloriera. Tira. I thought Akire. Tiro. Yung second D. Tiro. So, what are you doing here? Vacation? Very good. And who's that cutie guy beside you? Brother! He's so succulent. Yeah, he's a succulent concoction. How old are you, sweetie? Your brother. 21? Oh my God, the right age for milking. Can we milk you? 21 and the girl, you? 20. And And the girl beside you with the dry hair. Ilang taon? Ay, kasama ka Toronto? Ano sila? Toronto yun. Hindi. Mother yan. Mother! Tama ko, Martha. Oh my God. Nagulat ako, you don't look like a mother. Why? You look like a father. So, mommy, what about Nani? Parang ko natin sa Jumit, the mommy return.